Kids Moral Stories. Woohoo!
The Jolly Joker and the Lost Laughter. In a lively village called Smilesville, there lived a cheerful joker named Jolly. Jolly wasn't just any joker, his jokes could light up the darkest day, and his laughter was so contagious that it made everyone around him smile. He had a magical jester's hat that granted him one wish every day. Jolly always used this wish to bring joy to others, whether it was by turning rain into rainbows or making flowers bloom in the middle of winter. One morning, Jolly woke up to find the village unusually quiet. The children weren't playing, the birds weren't singing, and even the sun seemed dim. Worried, Jolly set out to discover what had happened. He soon found out that the village's laughter had been stolen by a mischievous spirit named Gloom, who lived deep in the Whispering Woods. Without their laughter, the villagers felt sad and lifeless. Determined to restore joy to his village, Jolly decided to journey into the Whispering Woods and confront Gloom. As he ventured deeper into the forest, the trees grew thicker and the shadows longer. But Jolly didn't give up. He used his daily wish to light his path, making the dark woods seem less frightening. Finally, Jolly reached Gloom's lair, a gloomy cave hidden under a twisted old tree. Inside, Gloom sat on a throne made of dark clouds, holding a glowing orb, the Orb of Laughter. Jolly knew that he had to get the orb back to save his village. Gloom laughed wickedly when he saw Jolly. "You think you can take back the laughter, little joker?" he sneered. Jolly, however, was clever. Instead of fighting, he decided to make Gloom laugh. He pulled out his funniest tricks, juggling glowing balls, making silly faces, and even performing a goofy dance. At first, Gloom resisted, but soon, a small chuckle escaped his lips, and then another. Before long, Gloom was laughing uncontrollably. As Gloom laughed, the dark clouds around him started to fade, and the orb of laughter slipped from his grasp. Jolly quickly grabbed the orb and dashed out of the cave. The moment he left the woods, the orb burst into light, and the sound of joyful laughter echoed across Smilesville. With the laughter restored, the village sprang back to life. The children played, the birds sang, and the sun shone brightly once again. Jolly returned to the village as a hero, but he remained the same cheerful joker, always ready to spread joy and laughter. Moral of the story: this story teaches us that laughter and kindness